In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create inline databases in Notion. If you're new to Notion or just refining your workflow, inline databases are a powerful way to keep structured information right alongside your notes, plans, and ideas. Instead of sending you to a separate page, an inline database lives directly within your current page, so everything you need stays in one place. Start by opening an existing page where you want the database to live, or create a new blank page. You can do that from the sidebar by adding a new page and choosing blank if you want a clean slate. Give the page a clear title so you'll recognize it later. This page will hold your database and any surrounding context, like notes above it or a summary below it. Next, click into the page and type the / command. Just press the / key to bring up Notion's command menu, then type the database layout you want. For example, type table, board, or calendar. As you type, Notion filters the options in real time. Using your arrow keys or mouse, pick the layout that best fits your content. A table is great for lists. A board is ideal for Kanban-style workflows, and a calendar is perfect for time-based items. When the menu appears, make sure to choose the inline option. This is important. Inline places the database directly on your page, while full page creates it on a separate page. If you prefer to browse first, type /database to see all the layouts together. Then select the inline version of the view you want. If you're unsure, an inline table is a solid starting point and can be switched to another view later. Now, name your database and start adding your data. Click the title area and give it a descriptive name that reflects its purpose, like content pipeline or trip planning. Begin entering rows for each item you want to track. Keep your entries consistent and concise so they're easy to scan. As you add data, think about the kind of information each item needs. You can use text for notes, numbers for costs, dates for deadlines, checkboxes for done or not, and select fields for categories or statuses. Clear labels help your future self move faster. If you're not sure what you'll need yet, start simple. Capture the essentials first and refine as you go. If you found any value in today's video, hitting like is a small gesture that makes a big difference in helping others discover our content. We're always looking to grow, so drop a note in the comments. Tell us what worked for you, or how we can level up the production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.